us give a round of applause to our Principe ng Star Baker Center, Mr. Joven Romeo R. Vesperas. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Jovelyn and Mark Vincent Vesperas. When he grew up, his ambition is to become a pilot someday. Authority, indeed, it is the proper to entrust to the rightful owner. To hand the scepter to our Principe ng Star Baker 2023, may I call in Mrs. Jovelyn R. Vesperas. Symbolizes power, glory, achievement, strength, and bravery. The crown is the highest honor gift to our prince. A prince deserves the crown of integrity. May I call in Miss Devon Mitchell Diaz and Miss Angel Francesca Bueno to crown our Principe ng Star